All right, y'all, jumping straight into the video. So I'm just gonna take the powder, and I ended up using two developers. I used a 40 developer, and I also used a little bit of the 50 developer. And you want to make sure you mix it well. Make sure there's no clumps or nothing in there. And after I did that and make sure everything was mixed together, I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my hot boiling water. All right, make sure you pour that boiling water in, stir it up a little bit, and then you're gonna dip the hair in. Now when you're dipping the hair in, make sure you dip the hair in like a lot of times. Make sure you comb it through so that the hair is fully saturated in the bleach bath. So this is what I'm talking about right here. You want to dip the hair in and make sure you're getting the bleach bath all throughout the wig. Like, you don't want to miss no spots because you don't want it to be patchy and looking crazy. Okay, once we're done that, we're just going to use some foil paper and let it sit on there. I let mine sit for about 30 minutes, and this was how it came out, okay? It came out perfect. All right, so I did not want it too light, so I think this level is perfect for the color that I'm doing, which is the ginger color. And I washed this out with just shampoo. I did not condition it, so I thoroughly shampooed it, and this is how it came out. And then after this, we're just gonna go right into I'm gonna watercolor it, right? Yeah, that's what we do. We're gonna watercolor it with the Cajun spice and the cognac, I believe. And yes, more hot water. Make sure you have all the hot water. And I did end up using the all the color in both the bottles, so two bottles, one each. Okay, so now that we got our desired color, we gonna wash this out thoroughly, okay? Shampoo and condition it thoroughly. I actually use some like deep conditioner with the conditioner, and I let that sit for like a good 5-10 minutes. But y'all make sure y'all wash it until y'all see no color. And I use cold water throughout this whole process of washing because I feel like hot water just makes the color run more. So that is a tip I would say. Just make sure you wash it in cold water when you're washing it all the way through. And this is the deep conditioner that I use, and I believe that's from Shea Moisture. Now let's skip to the good part, the freaking install, y'all. Make sure y'all clean y'all hairline. I used a little bit of rubbing alcohol and just threw that bad boy on. Now I was contemplating on a side part or middle part, so y'all see at the end I ended up doing the side part, and it was so freaking cute. I had to really play with the hairline a little bit and make sure I line it up perfectly. I didn't have to cut any extra lace off, and that was perfect. Ended up using Kiss glue because that is really the only glue that I had. This dang thing is going so fast, but I forgot that I speeded up everything. But yeah, I ended up using the Kiss glue, and I used 3 layers of that, and I let it dry clear before I went ahead and started to press the wig in for the melt. Listen, even though this isn't a fast motion, I need y'all to take y'all time when y'all putting y'all lace down on that glue. Do not rush. Take your time and make sure everything is placed exactly where you want it to be placed. All right. And then we're just going to move forward. After I put down both sides, I went in again to touch up all the little pieces in the front that needed some extra glue to hold that down right here. Okay. Peel that wig back and put the glue there. Peel it back, put it there. Peel it back, put it there. You're going to keep doing that until you see no more lace lifting up. Do y'all see how the lace at the top just disappeared? I'm telling y'all, follow my instructions. Take your time. This thing is gonna be beautiful. All right, like I told you in the beginning, I went with a side part. So what I'm doing right here is just defining the part a little bit more, and I'm doing like a wide C. And I feel like that's just the best way to frame my face. And also, when I straighten the top of my head, I do section by section, and I do my sections a little bit smaller because I want the top to be as flat as possible. And clearly, I know what I'm talking about because what does the top look like? Say it with me, people. Flat. All right. All right, so initially I did not know what I wanted to do with the hair as far as styling it. So in the midst of me installing the wig, I'm like, okay, cool. I know what I wanted to do. First thing I had to do was cut into a bob because it's hot outside and I really don't like too much hair like down my back. And I'm gonna take off this headband and y'all gonna see this freaking lace. And y'all cannot tell me this is not a melt. Y'all cannot tell me I didn't eat. Like, if I wasn't a baby hair kind of girl, I could have left it just like this. But come on now, I'm a baby hair type of girl. I got to do my baby hairs. Look at that. Lace, laid, period. Now we're going to jump right into the freaking baby hairs. And listen, this hair is so good, y'all. I did not use no baby curling iron to curl my baby hairs. Y'all going to see in the video, like, I strictly just took out the little pieces that I wanted. Some of them was already cut because this wig was already warm, clearly. So I just took out as much as I needed to just cover it. I didn't want to do too much because I still wanted it to be natural. And then we just gonna go ahead and cut it. Once I cut it, I'm using my Got To Be gel, the black bottle. When I say I swear by this bottle, I swear by this bottle, okay? Yes, this bottle is gonna get you far. And I'm telling you, look at, just watch how freaking, just watch how these baby hairs just fall into place. Like, it was amazing. Like, this is art. This is this is some type of voodoo. Cause like, come on, look at it. Look at it. Come on now. Like, nah. Like, come on now. I'm really feeling this wig. The baby hairs ate, and I only did baby hairs on that side because that was the only side that was showing. I was not gonna do any extra. And look at that. Y'all cannot tell me that's not mine. Y'all cannot tell me this lace is not laid. You cannot tell me. And I haven't even styled it yet. Like, come on now. Come on. It's eating, y'all. It's eating. I'ma just blow dry this for a little bit so it's not hard and crusty. Little bit of foundation on the lace, even though I honestly didn't need it because that thing was stinging, boy. And then we gonna put the headband back on and get into styling. Now I decided to curl the hair. I wanted some nice soft curls to give it like a grown and sexy type of look, like a nice Hollywood bob. I'm thinking of the bobs that Tay be doing on Ari. Like, yeah, that's what I was really going for. And y'all can see I ate. And if y'all wonder what type of curling iron I am using, this curling iron is from Dry Bar, and I swear by it. If you're somebody that does not know how to curl your hair, I would definitely say to get this curling iron because it really does the curling for you. You put it in there and then you just twist it. Then this is a good advertisement. They need to pay me. Dry Bar, y'all should sponsor me, please. I would appreciate it because I use everything. I use y'all flat irons, y'all curling irons, the baby curling iron, like the products, everything. But anyways, this is about the hair, y'all, not the iron. But yeah, I was doing the curls in different motions. So some was going away from my face, some was going towards my face because I didn't want everything to be too in sync. I still wanted it to have some type of body. So I'm just gonna do the same thing until we get to the top, and then I'm gonna hop back in and chat with y'all. Yeah, that was a little bit of Got To Be spray just to hold the curls together, even though I honestly didn't need it because it was curly hair. So yeah. Yeah, let me give y'all a little 360 of the curls for the girls, period, and a nice little comb out. Oh, come on, now. It's giving body, it's giving flow, it's giving exactly what I was going for, y'all. Like, I was so excited. You could tell I'm just playing in it, trying to get like the right motion. I am gonna fix the top, but I just wanted to take off the band and just brush out the baby hairs a little bit so they're not crusty and rusty and hard and everything. Yo, come on. Y'all cannot tell me. Y'all cannot tell me I did not snap. So I'm gonna just use the razor comb and just shed it a little bit, like just trim it down because I want the front to lay a certain type of way, which you guys are gonna see in the end. And here I am just playing in it, just feeling myself a little bit like, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm not one of those girls that like all the hair in their face, so I am gonna use my hot comb and just kind of hot comb the hair away, excuse me, away in the front. And I'm gonna curl this part again, and I'm gonna curl that one going back because I want the curl to drop a certain type of way. When I curl it backwards, you see it falls perfectly in line with everything else. And I also know that little trick where I spray a little bit of got to be on the side and then use my hot comb to press it back just like I did right there, just to keep the hair away from your face and just to give it that little va va voom, like va va voom voom voom. All right, before we get to the end, I'm just gonna use a little bit of this Kiss concealer and go in with to the part and just defining it a little bit more so it just looks like mine. I honestly don't feel like I needed it, but I did feel like it added a little extra touch. But the wig is eating, sitting, it's eating, y'all. But yeah, make sure y'all put the concealer all the way around, like all the way around the parts. All right, y'all. So we're coming towards the end of the video, and this is how it came out. I'm just giving y'all a little show because I gotta let y'all know that this bob, it does in fact move. Okay, period. Stiff wear. But yes, this is the end of the video. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm telling you, I got so many compliments on this wig. Like every second of the day it was a compliment and I loved it. I really enjoyed the styling, coloring, and everything, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. Make sure you leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. I'm out.